Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm going to reduplicate. This is a branding iron, looks like, on a piece of wood, but somebody wants to be able to laser on something. So I'm going to take the 3-point curve line, one of my favorite tools. I'm going to go to about the middle of that, and then I'm going to arch it with the 3-point curve. Now, I can't get the exact arch because it's not a perfect symmetrical curve on that end of the item. So we're going to take the shape tool and double click and add a node and then just kind of bring that down. And if you've never used a shape tool, you can see it's moving both handles where you can right click on that and turn that into a cusp. And then when you just move one, it only moves one. So we can grab on that and make it a little bit better. Now, because it's not really symmetrical, we can't really flip it. So we need to make that line white so you can maybe see it in the video. And I'm going to grab the 3-point. It'd be nice to be able to do that, but I just tried it out and it doesn't really work. You know, now I'm off the picture, so I'm going to have to back that up and lower my picture down so I can see it all. And then grab the 2-point curve and do the exact same thing on this one. And you can see it's a little bit better. This has a flat part. And then just do one more line. This is relatively easy and can be done pretty easily. Let's just put that over a little bit and then just kind of move your handle to this, and we can maybe even add a node there and move the whole thing over. And for the video, I'm going to call that good enough, and I'm going to right click and convert that to a cusp. But then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all these lines and I'm going to go right here and I'm going to turn this into 36 points. Not really enough, so let's make it 45 points. And let's take it and give it round end caps and scale to object. And what that did, it gave us round end caps on the two that I think need to be round, and the other ones are perfectly sharp. Now what you can do is you won't be able to see it, so you turn them all red and move this out of the way, and you could turn it black and then make that an engravable figure. And because you scaled it to object, this thing is 17 inches. If you made it smaller, it's still going to be relative to the size of the thickness of the lines. That's a pretty cool design. I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.